Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got this in on camera, I swear to God.
Real Spider-Man shit.
That whole reporter?
Yeah.
You see it?
What, Bo? Dunk some.
Oh, I got my shoes.
Our player right now, bro. That win. Let me get that back.
So what, it's me and Jason versus y'all two?
That's the only way she gonna work out. You gotta play like Michael. Just do what I say. You gonna be good.
I shot it earlier, before I even came up.
That's my fault. God damn! I got your switch.
Oh, cook him! That was a little hell no.
Overdose!
It's gotta be good.
Oh yeah, good move, Jay. Good fucking move, Jay.
It's time to cook, nigga.
Oh my god, that shit was sexy.
Shit, bro. It's cool.
I threw that bitch ass nigga out.
Where we going to?
But it took you like 30 seconds to do that shit.
Took me 30 seconds to get through that shit.
Yeah.
I bet.
I'm gonna see you fucking this again. Fucking wide, it ain't 50.
Damn, I thought that was going in.
No, you didn't. It looked good.
This nigga carrying this Yogi Bear ass off me, bro. So Yogi Bear. I'm hot in the bitch.
He's so shit.
That's a hook. Come on, bitch, you 50 right
He said it's a hook, I took it.
Shit, I knew that shit was up.
50. 50
Oh
ball.
yeah, we 50, baby. Oh yeah, we 50.
Shout out though.
Shout out Nike. I'm flying like Jordan. I'm hot in the bitch.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh no, Dylan, I'm done. Hell no. Hey, where my phone at?
Come on, man. To the fucking rain, nigga. Bro, you finish that. That's you, baby. That's you, baby. I see you every time, bro. Take these niggas down in the rain, nigga.
Stop.
Oh, God,
I gotta give you one.
What a change. It's time to pool party.
Oh, this shot was supposed to go in on my wallet.
I'm loving the shot. I'm loving it, man.
Oh shit.
Man, shit.
That nigga D-Will.
Oh, this is Justin? Hey, fuck that nigga Justin on Sean, nigga.
Hey, check your footage, bro. I was talking my cash to you and that shit.
Shit is good, nigga.
It's like, now I won't talk shit.
You better not start talking. Hey, hold on. Come here, bro. Don't run away. Savage, look at this nigga. This nigga's high as fuck.
I'm hot in the bitch.
Yo, hey, we touching down in Memphis. Hey, and we dropping videos every single day.
Come on, bro. You made me spill the Hennessy, nigga.
Yeah.
That nigga making the most.
Making the most Dylan shit on you.
Hey, Savage. Next time this nigga Dylan scores, look at this nigga Dylan. This nigga just start shaking his fucking hips.
You know, airplane and shit, but like, look at that wrist, it's money. That shit money, bro. Look at the wrist, it's gonna be money, but like.
That one, you know, camera.
Alright, bro.
Fuck, nigga.
That nigga just high hooping. Y'all just fucking up my heart, bro.
Get it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted. Big nigga. Shut your bitch ass up. Little ass nigga, bro. That's your leg up. It's like, hey. That's your tall ass, bitch ass nigga ass up, nigga. You losing, bitch. On your own channel. Man, nigga, no matter. You ain't care about this nigga. You serving bricks in fucking Denver, nigga. Well, I'm letting. You serving air, nigga. The fuck? Oh, he saved you. I say that hoe. No, that nigga. Yeah, he did say that. That hoe already hit up. No, he did not. No, the fuck he did not. Bottom lot, bitch. Bitch ass nigga, bottom motherfucking lot, niggas. Shit, money, nigga. What you put with? Fuck you talking about, boy? Fuck it in, Slime. I know, I'm saying that would stop it, nigga. So, 12-7. Damn, bro. Man, this nigga Jason. Hey, bro, let me see that hoe, bro. You got to, bro. You got to hit a small. 847. Oh, yeah. I'm fucking laughing at this nigga. It's 847. This nigga said. You know that shit. Look, oh. Step up. Shit. Hey, just back that nigga down. Just back that nigga down. Yeah. Who is he talking to? You, nigga. Jason knows he don't want me to guard him in that box. Go, Max. Go ahead. Return, bro. Nah, bro. All defense. 13-8. Get in front of him, dickhead.
Bro, this is all travel.
39.
And nigga in this whole slide across the court.
See, I forced him to shoot. I told you, bro, take the risk, bro.
What the fuck? You gotta tell you this shit. Oh, shit. Hey, Max, come on, bitch, come on. Oh, dick, what you? Dick with arrows. Oh, layup! 14 now. Oh, this so easy. Alright, what that nigga little baby shit? Uh-oh, the game in trouble. Hey, 97 rap, Chris.
He don't know what that is. He just thinks shoot it.
Oh shit.
No, lay it up. Lay it up.
Where the fuck are you going?
This nigga's running away.
I thought that was going.
Block it.
You could be a fucking human and be fucking creative.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. You spot up shoot. You a role player. Step up. You know he gonna wipe that bitch in your mouth. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Are you good? I'm done, bitch. Oh, fuck. This nigga did not stop recording.
Not out there.
Oh, my shit probably went. No, bro. Nah, bro. Hey, come here. Hey, fuck him. Come here, bro. Like, you can't allow this shit, bro. Hey, nah, bro. Like, as a content creator and a human being, bro, you can't allow this shit, bro. Man, shut your. I'm hot in the bitch.